morning class. Now we are meeting again. So let's start our inorganic particle. We have completed 4, means 15, 16, 17, 18. Now we will do 90, 20. So here we have again original solution. Again colorless solution. Here we have again colorless solution. So first of all we have to find out negative ion. Negative ion has 3 tests: dilute SO4 test, concentrate SO4 test, and third test for SO4 minus 2. Let's start. Original solution plus dilute SO4 you can see here no any gas, no any vapors evolve. That means CO32 minus, S minus 2, SO32 minus, NO3 minus, and CH3COO minus all are absent. Next, concentrated SO4 test. Original solution plus concentrated SO4. You can see here bubbles evolve, gas evolving. That means colorless gas is evolved. Let me check the order. Pungent order, colorless gas is evolved. That means Cl minus may be present. So here we have negative and Cl minus. So let's move for positive and group analysis. We will do for 0 group, that is NH4 plus. Unknown solution, original solution plus NaOH. We have to heat the test tube. For NaOH, we have to check NH4 plus is present or absent. No smell of ammonia, that means NH4 plus is absent, 0 group is absent. Now we will do for first group, that is for Pp plus 2. Original solution plus dilute HCl. Dilute HCl. No any precipitates, white precipitates not obtained, Pp plus 2 is absent. Same solution we have to just add H2S for second group. You can see here clearly white precipitates. As I told you before, for second group, if you are adding original solution plus dilute HCl and H2S gas or aqueous, If you get white precipitates, that means Zn plus 2 is present. Remember this, students. Original solution plus dilute HCl plus H2S aqueous, white precipitates evolve. That means Zn plus 2 is present. This test is not written in your record book, no journal. So you have to remember for this. No need to write. If you will write, that is no problem, but in your record book manual, there is no test for this Zn plus 2. You have to just remember. In your record book manual, there has written original solution plus dilute HCl plus H2S aqueous. Black precipitates for Pb plus 2 and Cu plus 2 and yellow precipitates for As plus 3. We didn't get any black or yellow. That means second group is absent. Now we will do for third group test. Original solution plus solid NH4Cl, or you can add NH4Cl liquid too. NH4Cl, then NH4OH, excess of NH4OH. If here we get reddish brown precipitates for Fe plus 3 and gelatinous white precipitates for Al plus 3, we didn't get any precipitates, that means third group is absent. Now we have to keep this test tube, but I forgot. But we have to do the same for fourth group. Original solution plus NH4Cl plus NH4OH same test tube, we have to keep it, but I forgot. Then fourth group, we have to just add H2S only. You can see here the changes. White precipitates. In fourth group, if we get black precipitates for CO plus 2 or Ni plus 2, flash buff precipitates for Mn plus 2. But here we got white precipitates, that means Zn plus 2 may be present. So here we have found first Zn plus 2 and negative and Cl minus, that means ZnCl2 zinc chloride. After this I can write color, order, dye heating test, flame test, boric speed test. For color, you can write colorless solution, order, no order, dye heating test, no any changes, no need to do flame test, no need to do any boric speed test. So you can write over there dash dash. So here after this positive and negative, and let's move for confirmation test. Confirmation test for Zn plus 2. Original solution plus dilute HCl we have to make two parts. For confirmation, in first part we have to add NaOH. First part I am adding NaOH. You can see white precipitates indicates confirmation for Zn plus 2. Now second part. This is second part. We have to add K4FeCN6, that means potassium ferrocyanide. Potassium ferrocyanide. You can see here clearly. Again, we have white precipitates. It conforms Zn plus 2. Another conformation test. Original solution plus NH4OH. You can see here white precipitates. It indicates Zn plus 2 is confirmed. Now let's move for conformation test for Cl minus. We have to take dry test tube. So let's dry our test tube. You can dry your test tube like this. We have to add pinch of MnO2. Original solution plus 2 or 3 drops of H2SO4 . Let's heat the test tube. You can see light colored gas. Now we here yellowish greenish gas indicates Cl minus is confirmed with Panjan order. We have done 3-4 times confirmation test for Cl minus in previous video. Let's continue. Original solution plus lead acetate. White precipitate indicates Cl minus is confirmed. Another confirmation test for Cl minus. Original solution plus silver nitrate. Again, white precipitates, curdy white precipitates indicate Cl minus is confirmed. positive ion Zn plus 2, negative ion is Cl minus. That means ZnCl2 zinc chloride. Let's move further. Let's continue another test. Let's start another practical. Again we have colorless solution. So again we have to start from negative. Negative ion has 3 tastes: dilute SO4 taste, concentrated SO4 taste, and taste for SO4 minus 2. PO4 minus 3 is not in your board exam. So original solution plus dilute H2SO4 no any gas, no any vapors evolve. That means CO32 minus, X minus 2, SO32 minus, all are absent. Let's move for concentrated H2SO4 taste. Original solution plus concentrated H2SO4. You can see here, no any vapors, no any bubbles, no any gas evolve. That means Cl minus, Br minus, I minus, NO3 minus, all are absent. Third taste for SO4 minus 2. Original solution plus BaCl2. You can see here white precipitates. That means SO4 minus 2 may be present. Let's move for positive ion group analysis. Original solution for 0 group for NH4 plus. Original solution plus NaOH. We have to check NH4 plus present or absent. Deep a glass rod in concentrated HCl. In concentrated HCl. And take it to the near mouth of the test tube. You can see white fumes. You can see here white fumes. It indicates NH4 plus may be present. So here we have found positive ion NH4 plus and negative ion SO4 minus 2. That means NH4 twice SO4. Name ammonium sulfate. Let's move for confirmation test. So we will do confirmation test for NH4 plus. Original solution plus Nessler's reagent. Nessler's reagent. You can see here orange brown precipitates. It indicates NH4 plus is confirmed. So NH4 has only one confirmation test. Let's move for confirmation test SO4 minus 2. Original solution. Plus sodium carbonate plus BaCl2 white precipitates. It confirms SO4 minus 2. Another test for SO4 minus 2. Original solution plus sodium carbonate plus acetic acid, dilute acetic acid dilute acetic acid plus lead acetate you can see white precipitates. It indicates SO4 minus 2 is confirmed. So here we have completed confirmation test for NH4 plus and SO4 minus 2. That means NH4 twice SO4, name ammonium sulfate. So here we have completed inorganic practical 20. In first video 15-16, second video 17-18 and third video 19-20. Let's move for further. Before moving further, I wanted to tell you that is, please students, whenever you will get time, please write your record book. Whatever our practical is done, completed, that practical you have to write in your record book. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye students.